Okay, so I have attempted to make some cooking videos a few times now, and I never posted them because I never felt like they were really complete. I kind of look back and thought, oh, I wish I had said this or done this, or okay, well, I think I look stupid here, you know, whatever. So I never actually had gone through posting them, but I have a few of them that are made and I think they're interesting and you can still get some useful information out of them. So I'm gonna kind of piece those random videos together in this video. All right, so tonight I decided that I wanted to try making my own pizza. And I'm not really sure how this is gonna turn out, so don't get too excited now. Try doing it with this kind of dough. It's for pizzas. Putting on some fresh basil. I already put out the dough and put on some mozzarella cheese and the sauce and all that. I got some pepperoni. So I put a ton of fresh veggies on there. And we're gonna see how this works. Guess what else I got done today? I went and got my class done. I think it looks nice with this sweatshirt with all the kisses all over it. Looks nice. I think it might be coming out pretty decently there. Look what I found at the store today that I thought was really cute. These little mini bananas. That was pretty cute. Anyways. Ooh, so I just took it out and it looks pretty good. Goodness. So for this next part, this was actually the first video that I filmed for the channel. And I kind of spent all day by myself. I went to the grocery store, I came back, and I, was super nervous to stand in my house by myself and just talk to a camera. And I kind of had to get used to doing this, Now I've gotten a little bit better at it. I know I still need to work on a little bit more, but I'm gonna share the very first thing I filmed, and it was a cooking video. And it was my salmon pesto parmesan, which is really easy and it's really good, and every person that I've ever cooked this for has loved it. The other thing was my pasta salad, and everyone that I've made that for has loved it as well. So excuse the awkwardness in this, but it's kind of fun to kind of see the first thing I filmed and that. So here you go. So the pasta salad that I like to make is really easy. I just use this. And it's the classic one. Then I just mix it with olive oil. I add in sliced olives, feta cheese crumbled, and then I cut up a red pepper. Now I'm just going to take some olive oil and drench it in that. So this comes with a packet of flavoring. So I'm going to now mix the packet that came with it into the pasta after the olive oil is on it. So now I'm going to do the salmon. I've already put olive oil in the pan because I really don't like to use a lot of butter. So we're gonna do it like this. Pretty thick on there. Then I'm going to take the, grated Parmesan. And just put it right there on top. So the pesto salmon is cooking, and that should be done shortly. The pasta salad is done. Basil pesto. Parmesan cheese on the grill. Parmesan. And there you go.
Looks awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna get the grill going. Out here and check it out. It's just yum, dude.
Look at this. He says there's basil outside.
I'm going out there.
He said small leaves. I don't want to pick him. I don't want to pick these leaves.
That's what I have for
Oh.
So when I cook things, I kind of think about what I would order at a restaurant, right? And then I think, well, how can I make that myself, And also when I eat foods, it's interesting to think of, different flavors that go together that you might not have thought went together, Like one of the things that I think about sometimes is when I had gone to the strip club haunted house, and they have special drinks that they make for that. And you never would have thought, but mixing Kahlua with orange juice tastes like a Tootsie Roll. And it really does. And it's crazy to think about those two flavors doing that, but they do. And so it's just little things like that if you learn over time after, cooking for a while, you start saying, well, okay, well, I know that these flavors go really well with this, and then you can kind of start experimenting with it. So one of the things that people may not know about me is that I actually do enjoy cooking. And today for lunch, I'm gonna make my spicy steak salad. So I'm gonna try it with this. I usually actually get like steaks, but for what they had at the store this time, this looked better. And then I'm just gonna kind of put some of these seasonings on it, Worcestershire sauce. I haven't used this before. Garlic jalapeno seasoning. So we'll kind of see how that is, and I'm just gonna cook it over here on this. Chopped up hard-boiled egg, green peppers, red peppers, tomatoes, and I just put some Swiss cheese. I just kind of tore it up. I like blue cheese dressing, and I'm gonna put it over spinach. Okay, so let me give this a try. Let's get a piece of steak in there. So the spiciness of the steak goes really well with the cool creaminess of the salad dressing and the vegetables. So yes, if you have any ideas for future cooking videos or anything at all, anything you want to share with me, I'd love to hear your stories, and maybe I can cook your recipes here and show you what I think of them and how they've turned out for me, and maybe give you some suggestions. I don't know, it could be fun, something we can do. So I've hoped you enjoyed this, you know, cooking video. And if you want to see more about cooking, my life, strip clubs, crazy things that are going on, there's always something going on. There's always something going on. You wouldn't even believe. I know all kinds of interesting people that I'm going to introduce you to, and everyone has a great story that's worth sharing. And I'm going to pull those stories out of people, and we're going to go on adventures, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.